First, we can calculate the annual cost of maintaining the current oven. We see that for year 1, it is $17,100. For year 2, we're going to take that value and add $5,300 to get $22,400. Then for year 3, we will take $22,400 and add $5,300, and we will go on for all of the years. Then we can calculate the depreciation. The current market value of the oven is $14,600. So we're going to see that the value at the end of the year can be calculated by taking the current value times 1 minus the depreciation rate, where the depreciation rate is 0.27. So we're going to get that year 1 is $10,658. Year 2 is $7,780.